Okay, so the romantic question on the table is, can they multiply? I'm going to show you a whole bunch of matrices in pairs, and you've got to tell me whether, in fact, they can multiply or not. Let's just start in right now and see. For example, what about these two people? They look pretty much the same to me. Can they multiply? No, because remember, the columns here have to equal the rows here. And so, in fact, this doesn't work out. I run out of things. If you try to do the method, you fail, right? Because you go boom, boom. You can't, right? Try it again. Boom, boom. You see why the columns here have to equal the rows here? I have to be able to match them up in a one-to-one manner, you see? So boom, boom, doesn't work. What about this way? No, still doesn't work. Boom, boom, not good. Okay, so this is not good, so there's not a match, so we have no match there. What about here? Does this match? Let's see. Well, do the number of columns here equal the number of rows here? No. Try it. Doesn't work. Boom. Doesn't work. What about this way, though? Will this way work? Let's try it. Boom, boom. Nope, no good. So you've got to have the columns on the left equaling the number of rows on the right. So not a match, not a match. Okay, this is not looking good. Let's keep this guy here. How about this one? Can these be put together and multiply? Let's try it. Bump, bump. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Bump, bump. Ooh, bump, bump. Ooh, bump, 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 bump. Boom, 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 boom. This is great. And what's the answer going to be? Well, since this is a 3 here, this is going to be a 3, and this is a 3. Because I take the number of rows here and the number of columns here, and that tells me the size of the answer. This will be a 3 by 3. What about this way? Can they do it in this position? Well, let's try it. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is great. And what would the answer be? Well, since the columns here are matching up with the rows here, I take the row answer here by the column answer here. So this is actually going to give me a 2 by 2. And can you see it? I mean, I want you actually to visualize it. Boom, boom, boom is the first thing. Then boom, boom, boom is up here. Then boom, boom, boom is down there. And boom, boom, boom is there. It's a 2 by 2. It's a 2 by 2. Great. All right, let's see what else we got on the griddle here. Here's a big one. Can these two people do it? Well, let's see. Boom, boom. No, this is not going to be good. Boom, boom. Not good. Not good. What about this way, though? Can it be done this way? Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. 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 So in fact, this can be done because I have 3 columns here, which matches up with 3 rows here. What's the outcome going to be? It's going to be a 2 by 4. But this way won't work. So you see, because here I've got 4 columns and only 2 rows. They're not equal. Okay? How about this right here? Compatible? Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. No. Boom, boom, boom. Doesn't work. And that's because this has 4 columns, this only has 3 rows. Not going to work. What about this way, though? Would this way work? Let's try this way. Bump. See, I run out of people right away. I only have one person there. Bump, bump, bump. Not going to work. This person, no match, no match. Let's see, what about this here? Do these two people go together? Let's see if they can multiply. Bump. I have no more place to go here, and I have to keep going down here, so that doesn't work. What about this way? Let's try this. Bump, bump, bump. Oh, yeah. Bump, bump, bump. Oh, yeah. Bump, bump, bump. This works great because notice the number of columns here equals the number of rows here. What would the net gain be, the net outcome be? Well, it would be a 3 by 1. So, in fact, this would be a 3 by 1. Let's actually figure out what it would equal. So, first spot is going to be 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 0 times negative 1. So that's 2 plus 3 plus 0. That's 5. Then the second spot, I jump down. You see, 3 minus 3 minus 4. So that's minus 4 when I add those numbers up. Remember what I do? I multiply each term and then add up those answers. So here I see a 1, a 3, and a minus 2. So that's going to be a 1 and a 4, and then a minus 2 is just a 2. So notice that my answer is a 3 by 1, just like I predicted, because I have 3 things here and 1 thing here. So remember that you can only multiply things when the number of columns on the left equals the number of rows on the right. So you can do this process, this boom, 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 perfectly. And then the outcome will be the number of rows you have here by the number of columns you have here. All right, try to practice multiplication, and remember, it's tricky because you have to have these things line up just right. Have fun, and I hope you can multiply too.